Okay. Just stay at the center, okay? Wait for mommy. Minsan timalom, alas 3. Sabi ni Kuya Jesus. Yeah, very good. Don't go there at the other side because there's a car. You have to stay at the center, okay? Yeah, stay there at the center.
Anya baka unog na dayto eh.
Don't run! Nauna po na ito yun.
Ay sus.
Yeah, stay there.
But in the middle. Because it's deep, we don't know how to swim.
Shallow water.
Yeah.
Shallow water? Ay, gamin ta ko. Nagtulog gamin ni iso nga kasi lang.
Baka naman ang shallow sa kanila kasi matatangkad sila eh. 6 feet. Sa is naman kasi sila. Eh tayo ang shallow sa atin 4.